So here it is, the first in the Angel Pendulum series. This is an Aqua Aura Angel Crystal. It has a beautiful terminated end. When I saw these crystals, I thought, wow, those are going to make wonderful pendulums. Great celestial power, wrapped in a silver wire weave, attached to the 7-chakra chain by a 14-karat gold lobster chain, or a lobster clasp, I'm sorry. The 7-chakra chain is attached also. Each element is attached with a 14-karat gold jump ring. And the dangler consists of Swarovski crystals, Denim Lapis, Swarovski Pearls, Gold Dust Rondelles, Onyx, and Rose Quartz. There will be more of the Angel series coming out. I have many different styles. I'm very excited about these crystals. They are incredibly powerful and wonderful.